Today I want to discuss about JumpStart. It is occur in build phase. So I want to explain what is JumpStart and what exactly it means. JumpStart it is useful for pre-build, pre-trained models. So like text, vision, tabular, and time series, like this type of models, you can pre-build and pre-train that models. We can create example notebooks so you can evaluate or deploy quickly that pre-trained models, and we can do in one click like end-to-end solution templates for common business problems like demand forecasting, fraud detection, image classification workflows. So that type of use cases, business problems, we can do end-to-end solution templates. And build Jumpstart is useful for foundation models like text generation, image generation, retrieval. So this type of scenarios we can use the foundation models using Jumpstart. You can deploy that models in using Jumpstart. So it provides built-in support to deploy to a SageMaker endpoint. Once we use this Jumpstart, and we can create our own SageMaker endpoint from the UI or programmatically. Like from Jumpstart UI, you can deploy model, or using programmatically also you can deploy that model using the SageMaker Python SDK. So let's start how to open Jumpstart, and how to create our pre-trained models, and how to create endpoints. Let's do that. So for this, I open the SageMaker AI. So I went here. Once you go to the SageMaker AI, we will go Jumpstart, or you can use this. The left hand side, we have this Jumpstart also. You can use both options. I'm using this. So once click that, you will get this page. In this, you will have providers. So 32 providers are there: Meta, DeepSeek, Hugging Face, AWS, IBM. These are all pre-trained. These are the providers which will give you pre-trained models. So this many providers are there, totally 32. Liquid, Brighter. So I'm selecting Hugging Face. You can choose anyone. So in Hugging Face, the pre-trained models are 146. Sorry, 416. So I'm getting this many models. So I'm selecting here questioning answer type. I'm selecting let's select this. So it's already pre-trained. So directly we can deploy this model. You can see here in this, it will give a description in this page, like what is the model do, like what is the model description, and how to use the deployment model for inference. So this is second part. You can see this. So this is an example like model input. Suppose if we give this question, it will answer like this. I will show you practically. Example to give this question, it will answer like this. Basically, what it's saying. Let's see the description. So this is an extractive question answering model built in on a transformer model from Hugging Face. It takes two strings as inputs. The first string is a question and the second string is a context. So we have to give two strings, and it will give you answers based on it. So this is what it's showing. Let me deploy this. Let me see the configuration. This is endpoint settings, endpoint name, instance type, instance count, inference type. It is real type. So this is the model. Another one settings. So I have IAM role, execution role. I'm not selecting VPC. Since I'm using for demo purpose, I'm not giving any KMS key and I'm not doing any network isolation s- since it is only for demo purpose, right? So I'm taking as a default configuration. You can see here. So let me deploy this. It will take some time. It will take you, it will become status as running status. You need to wait up for that time. So, so we'll have these two tabs, variants, settings, test interface. So once it is running status, we can test this scenario. Let me create a new space here. Then the space name, create space and open. It will also take some time. Yeah. It is staying 5 minutes. Since I have stopped that spaces, so it is also creating. So this is once it is open, we can execute the questions. You can give random question and you can test that application. So this is very easy for deploying. This is the endpoint URL. This is endpoint URL for that that sorry that project. So yeah, it's still creating. This is and you can see the logs here. These are the things about this project. This is simple, right? We can create our own JumpStart endpoint, and we can start testing very quick using this. This is one type of scenario. Another type of scenario, we can open notebook and we can create our own Python script. We can import the JumpStart model and we can create a model ID and we can take using that model ID. We can take that model and we can use uh, my model.deploy method to deploy in SageMaker endpoint. And using predict method, we can do the predictions and we can test that in same notebook cell. That is another way. There are two ways. So two ways we can check. One is user interface, simple thing, and another is programmatic way. So you can do in two steps. I think it will take some time. So let me wait some time. It will automatically open. You want to yes, not able to see here. Yeah, this is about the session. If you want to wait, I will show you this in the session. Let's do this. Starting. It's not allowing me. Taking some time. Let's wait some time. Then it will appear the questions. I think it will be. I think it's enough for you. It will give you this only. Let me explain you. This tell you this. You are seeing this when you saw that model description, right? We need to give two questions and it will give a specific answer using this model. That's it. Yes. Let me open this. I'll show it to you. Yes. Yes. Sorry for delay. Actually, it's not my mistake. So we need to select kernel. I'm selecting Python 3. So we need to execute the cells, right? It will give you default code. We need to execute the cells. Let me execute. This is the default question. There are two questions, right? This is a default question. And, the default code. The code will be like this. JumpStart will give for you. No need to do any coding here. Just execute the cell. Yeah, you got the answers right. First question: what is Southern California often abbreviated as? Under context, you have to go to one is question and context, right? So based on the model, it gave this SoCal. The second question: who predicted a vector given this? And you can see the logs also here. Endpoint logs. Once endpoint is created, it will show the logs. CloudWatch. To open CloudWatch. Yeah, this is the log group details. Start telling you logs inside. Yeah, see here. Yeah, like that it will show the logs. Create a start telling all insights. Yeah, load the events here. See, yeah, you can see in detail. Yes, you can see logs like this. Model logs, live logs. Jumpstart, I think you got clear idea how to see the logs, how to create your own endpoint. So yeah, this is about the this video about this jumpstart. I think I covered the session. Thank you.